Alright, well, I don't know if I can, we'll just flop in here real quick and, try not to trip over myself. We did finish the cam gear up on this. Give it a choke, I guess. I think that you have a little bit of a fuel delivery problem. Either the gas is old and stale, or there's something causing a little bit of a hiccup in there. But for something that should be pretty still in its operation, I guess. Let's see if we can find that bag of box. Oh, that's down there. I buried it already. So that is the item that has been replaced, and it was a detent mechanism that broke in there, and that happens quite frequently on some of these certain models of John Deere engines. We replaced the tappets. We replaced the oil pump shaft. Not that that really needed to be replaced, and yeah, I mean, it's done now.